2, go.
Hello, and this is my sister Ellie, and I am Avie, and we are doing an unboxing video of a Shopkins board game. This is the back of it, and it comes with 3 characters. Oh, I didn't notice this. It comes with a mystery one right there. You can see it kind of back there. I don't think you can see it on camera though. And we're not gonna play this on this video, but see next video of us actually playing this game. If you have a couple more players than 4, you can probably use your very own Shopkins if you have some. We have a bunch. So, yeah. And do you want to say anything?
Cat, dog, BCTC.
That's a joke. And
It's a funny joke.
yeah. And I guess we're gonna open this. Come on, help me out.
Let's open it up.
Okay. Oh, I'll get this part. This is kind of heavy.
What's in there?
Okay. Oh.
What do we have in here?
Whoa, careful.
Let's see.
Look at everything. Here, I got it. This is the...
Whoa,
let's move this
there's
box.
coins. There's little coins.
This is the board that you would put them on like any other board game. This is a spinning wheel. Anything else in the box? There's just these things. Okay. Let's see. I bet there's some stuff in here. Yep.
I'm taking the ones out that we have.
I see the mystery Shopkin. Right there. Okay. We got these out. Here's this Shopkin. So there's one. Here's another one. I don't know what it is. Wait. Don't know what it is. And here's a telephone one. Telephone. Ring ring. And here's a mystery one. It's like one of these things that snap your papers together.
It's a stapler.
Yeah, one of those. Thanks, Dad. Oh, by the way, you didn't get to introduce yourself. This is our dad recording this video.
Hi, I'm Eric.
That's his other name. This is a spinning wheel. Where's the thing that goes on it? I'm not sure where it is. I can't find it. I don't know.
But we're gonna play tomorrow, right?
Yeah, we'll make next video.
Why don't we ask Elynor what she thinks?
What do you think, Ellie?
Elynor.
I think we should play it right now.
That's for the video tomorrow.
Okay, we should play it tomorrow.
I can't
Alright.
find the spinning wheel.
Well, we're gonna end the video. Is there anything any of you want to say?
I put it right here.
Why don't you comment below?
No, I don't want to end the video.
We need to.
And wait for part 2 coming up tomorrow. I hope everyone likes this. Shopkins! And bye!
We'll see you next time.